Love Quilts for You along with Maxwell. We're sitting in our front room, and I did ask Maxwell a few questions before. We have not rehearsed what are going to be talking about.
We never rehearse anything.
No, we never rehearse anything, obviously, but we did discuss this as a family, and Maxwell had a few ideas and suggestions that we sort of mulled over, and I thought, since I had asked you people the last video, one of the last videos I put up about a collaboration with a quilty box, mystery box, and I think the overwhelming majority of you, because I asked for your opinion, what do you think, after I sort of respectfully declined, was sort of, don't do it. Somebody just said, don't do it. And I think I only got one or two of you. Marla, you're one of them that said, yeah, go do it. The reason what I was thinking about was to build up somebody's stash. But again, a mystery, money's scarce nowadays. Hobbies are expensive. Quilting is expensive. But we had run it past Maxwell, what he thought. I never really heard of the word collaboration. And when I asked Maxwell, you had some some ideas and some Maxwell.
It's fine.
So what, Maxwell, what are your thoughts on collaboration?
Doing a collaboration over Zoom?
Doing a collaboration over Zoom. What would that entail? I don't want to do a collaboration over Zoom. See, that's the whole thing. It's like a lot of people were saying it would squelch your creativity. And my creativity is pretty much squelched right about now. So do I want to be necessarily involving myself with somebody else's ideas? That's what the whole thought was.
You could be sharing knowledge. Maybe you don't know some stuff somebody else knows.
Okay. But I think these collaborations are, you do it, you do it, you review our things, you say they're wonderful and great and have people buy stuff. That's basically the idea. Like, I don't want to be a salesman.
The thing is, you won't be a salesman. You're just exchanging ideas. That's all you're doing.
But there's no exchange. Where's the exchange?
You share knowledge.
I share knowledge with my YouTube family. Forget it.
This is not.
This is not working out.
Working, and
we should have rehearsed. You were so chatty before, and now you're like clamming up.
What?
Maxwell, I couldn't shut you up before, and now you're not saying anything.
Well, we.
He had so many.
Hey, they should. Let me.
Okay, you
let me talk.
Okay.
I'm
now
slow
you're talking. Oh, you're slow
today.
Okay, you are slow today. Video. Stay as you are, Jean. You don't need the stress of opening a box. I love watching collaborations with other content creators.
Even though we do love our boxes.
I am so happy you stay independent. We love you just the way you are. You do you. So glad you're steering away from this monthly unboxing.
Hey, why don't you, another collaboration idea.
Right.
You fly out to somewhere.
Well, am I gonna fly out to where?
I don't know.
I don't want to get involved. That's like, that's like people. That's like people.
Hey, just imagine Martelli invites you over there.
Oh, no, Martelli.
Over there to their studio.
That's in Florida.
And you just have to just see how you view about their new releasing products.
I like Martelli, so they would have to fly me. But like, yes, it's all very controlled, I think, those programs. And are we in control?
We are the least in control people ever.
We are so not in control. I always say it's me and my camera.
I thought you were going to say me and my people.
And my people, exactly. My friends on YouTube come and they and my loyal subscribers. We are a family. Yeah. Everybody reads each other's comments and comments on it.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you want to?
Are you going to like change the subject?
No.
Oh, okay. Talk.
Okay, never mind.
You were going to change the subject.
I was not.
Yeah, you were.
Maybe I was.
Anyway, back to collaboration. We're not doing it, folks. Yeah.
Hey, you can.
I would not get caught up in that. I love your channel and your humor. Aw, Maxwell. And your family sharing. I don't know if they're going to like this one, though. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. We come to the conclusion that...
if there is a collaboration, what could actually work, then maybe.
But...
You don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know. Say if another YouTube person who does the same thing as you wants to do like Q&A with you. You just answer questions. Not that hard.
But see, Jen and I did that a long time ago. Jen came and people asked us questions, and Jen and I answered them. Now but it wasn't a live. I'm not doing a live.
No, so it doesn't have to be a live.
Okay, I've done that before.
It could be a pre-recorded thing. Like I could set up a Zoom, and you do it that way, and you just answer questions, and maybe if.
How do we get the questions?
They would have the questions for you. You just have to answer them to the best of your ability.
Another person, like another quilter.
Yes, another quilter to another quilter asking questions.
But I'm not like a...
I know you're not a master...
I'm not a master quilter.
Quilter, but what if they...
Why you say I'm not a master quilter? Why people think I'm a master quilter?
Did I say you weren't a master quilter?
You just said it.
I did not.
You just said you're not a master quilter.
Sorry, folks, my brain is...
But what am I?
A quilter.
A quilter. So you're saying team up with another quilter on YouTube and ask questions.
Ask questions, or if they have a project they want to show, they could show it. If you could show the project you're working on.
I do that.
No,
I do that now. I show projects.
Like I know, but you could show the other person the project you're working on. So essentially, you're just talking to them.
No, I'm talking to my friends.
I know
friends.
You are talking to your friends
because they all like me. Maybe that other person wouldn't like me because a lot of people don't like me. I talk too much.
If it's a collaboration, you two have to work together.
I know. See, I don't want to work together. That's like people.
But yet you and Auntie Jen work together.
Auntie Jen and I work together beautifully. Absolutely, because I've known Jen for 30 years now, and she's my dearest friend.
Or just scrap the collaboration.
Or just scrap the collaboration altogether, folks. That's what we've come to. That's what we have come to the conclusion. Forget this collaboration. I do me, and I got so many lovely comments. I love your channel and the way you present yourself. Listen to this. Aw, I did it once before, and it gets expensive. Yes, Donnie, you're right. People don't have. I mean, people are trying to put food on their table. Like, it's a lot of money. I love your channel. You have to be careful about these collaborations.
Time is money.
Time is money. That's right.
Yes.
Oh, I just wanted to finish up. Who is it? The only ones that were interested were. Oh, let me just see it. So, Fat Quarter Shop. Apparently, the Fat Quarter Shop offers a Block of the Month club, and that has very, very quality fabrics. Not that I want to do it, because I don't need any more fabric. I was thinking about people trying to build from their stash of fabrics up. So to me, it was like 14 to 16 fat quarters. That's a lot of fabric. Do you care?
I don't know no fabric. I know video games.
I know you know video games, but you know what a fat quarter is.
Is those squares, chunky things?
Yeah, those little chunky square things, yeah.
Yes,
Oh, here, Pat, yes, I would not get caught up in that. I love your channel and your humor and your family sharing. I think it would change your channel.
Just imagine when Martelli contacted.
Well, if Martelli contacted me, I don't know, what would I do?
Would you jump on it? Like,
I don't know.
If a representative from Martelli...
That's a lot for me. You know me. I'm in my little house.
Yeah, so you could have... I could be on there with you.
Oh, so you're good. So, what would you be? You would be my personal assistant?
Emotional support animal.
Emotional
support
animal.
No, wait, I'm not an animal. I'm an emotional support human.
You would emotionally support me. I would need that. Yeah.
Ish. Your hand's all sweaty.
I know, I'm all like getting upset.
You're not upset.
Anyway, folks, I agree. Just keep doing what you're doing. Maxwell, we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing.
Yep.
Yep. Thanks, folks. It's come from the emotional support person here, Maxwell. I guess.
Hey, have you noticed? Have you guys noticed anything different about today?
What happened?
I changed the shirt finally.
It doesn't say nah, I'm good, but you're good. It's fine. Okay, say it's fine.
It's fine.
All right, folks. See ya.